Hi everyone. If I say that 5 is a magical number, आप पूछोगे कैसे? So let me show you. 5, there are so many mathematical techniques associated with 5. So let us explore them one by one. First of all, how to find squares of numbers ending in 5. This is a very popular technique. Almost everyone knows this. Square of 5 is 25. Just write 25. And 6 is multiplied by its next number, which is 7. 6 into 7 is 42. So answer is 4225. 85 square is, write 25, and 8 into its next number is 72. So answer is 7225. What about 95 square? You will write 25, then 9 will be multiplied by its next number, which is 10. That will give you 9025. And what about 105 whole square? Write 25, which is square of 5. Then 10 is multiplied by its next number 11, which will give you 11025. So this is very simple. You can even use this technique to find the square of 235. So just multiply 23 by 24 and write 25 as last two digits. Now this technique is beneficial in one more case, to find square roots of numbers which end with 25, like 11025. So there will be 5 corresponding to 25. 110, write 110 as two numbers which are two consecutive numbers, as a product of two consecutive numbers. So we know that 110 is 10 into 11. Pick the smaller number. So your answer is 105. Now while finding the square root of 15625, write 156 as the product of two consecutive numbers, which is 12 into 13. Pick the smaller number, which is 12, and square root of 25 is 5. So square root of root 15625 is 125. 9025 is 90 is written as 9 into 10. Square root of 25 is 5. So pick the smaller number and square root is 95. So this technique can be used both ways. Finding the squares of numbers ending with 5, or finding the square root of numbers ending with 25. Now we have one more technique in which we are to find the product of two-digit numbers having same first digit and sum of one's digit is 10. So here we can see that all these numbers have same first digit, and 7 plus 3 is 10, 4 plus 6 is 10, 2 plus 8 is 10. So what we will do is we will apply the same technique of finding the squares of number ending with 5. We will multiply 3 by its next number, which is 12, and multiply 7 and 3 to get 21. So in 54 and 56 product, 4 into 6 is 24, and 5 is multiplied by its next number, which is 6. So 5 into 6 is 30. While finding the product of 82 and 88, 2 into 8 is 16, and 8 is multiplied by its next number, which is 9, to get 72. So answer is 7216. Now there is one more technique, which is the squares of numbers between 50 to 60. How to find 51? So you can notice that all the numbers are starting with 5 only, and we have this case is applicable for two-digit numbers only. So 5 ka square is 25. Add 25 to 1. 25 plus 1 will give you 26. 26 is the first part of answer. Then 1 square is the second part of answer. 1 square, you write it as two digits because this is a two-digit number. So we will write it as two digits, 0, 1. Now in 52 square, square of 2 is 0, 4. In 53 square, square of 3 is 0.9. In 54 square, square of 4 is 16. In 58 square, square of 8 is 64. In 59 square, square of 9 is 81. So this is the second part of answer in all these cases. For the first part of answer, because 5 square is 25, add 25 to 2. 25 plus 2 is 27. In this case, add 25 to 3 which is ones digit. So 25 plus 3 is 28, which forms the first part of answer. In case of 54 square, 25 plus 4 is 29. In case of 58 square, 25 plus 8 is 33. In case of 59 square, 25 plus 9 is 34. So this is an easy method to find squares of numbers between 50 to 60. Now, are we done? Not yet. There is one more technique. I know that we can find sum of numbers from 1 to 10 easily using AP. But if you explore the magic of 5, in this case also, then 1 to 10 may always pick the number which is 5. Just 1 to 10 may 5, 11 to 20 may 15, 21 to 30. In this case, number ending with 5 is 25. In 31 to 50, number ending with 5 is 35. In 41 to 50, number ending with 5 is 45. And just put 5 as the first digit, ones digit. So these are the sum of numbers which we have calculated, which we have guessed in a very easy way. Now, in case of 101 to 110, the number between 101 to 110 which ends with 5 is 105. Put 5 on the right and this is your answer. In case of 111 to 120, just pick the number ending with 5 which is 115 and put 5 on the right and this is the answer. So these are all very interesting techniques. बस इनकी practice करो for 4-5 days and you will have a solid grip on these techniques. So if you like the video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.